Good morning one and all, present over here. My name is Rishi Rajathat. I am going to present you my new prototype, the automatic wheelchair. The automatic wheelchair is very useful for lame people who can't walk with them. They have one leg or they have some problems on their leg and they can't walk here and there. These can be done by some accidents also. My new prototype will help them to move here and there independently. Once I was traveling with the train towards Agra, I saw many people lying on the station. They are lame. They are moving here and there by sliding their bodies. I don't like that. The automatic wheelchair is invented many years ago. You know Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking also used the automatic wheelchair, but it is very unaffordable for normal middle class persons who are lame. My automatic wheelchair is very affordable, but we will face some problems in it because it has two small batteries. If we make it in a large scale, it can be used for a people who is up to 40 kgs. Now, first of all, the remote part. There are two parts: remote and the chair part. This will be planted under the chair because I want to tell you how the motherboard is connected. So I planted it here. First, the remote part. These are the four buttons which are helpful to move the chair here and there. This is a battery which is the power bank of the remote. This is the motherboard which helps the most part of the remote. It is the transmitter which connects the transmitter in the chair wirelessly. These are the repeaters which circulate the energy to all the remote. These are wirings which helps to connect the switches to the remotes. Now move on to the next part. This is my main thing is automatic wheelchair. These are two batteries, one motherboard, one transmitter which helps them to connect with the remote, and it has two switches. Yes, I will tell you why the two switches are important. First of all, one switch. It will on the remote will be on and both are connected. If the remote is connected to the point, the green light will blink very brightly. Now the back part. This is very important for a handicapped people to censor its obstacles. If we turn on the switch and it will be show green color. It shows that the buzzer is ready to sense the obstacles. Now look at this. If any kind of obstacle passes through it, it will buzz, it will beep. It is very helpful and futuristic for lame people.
Okay. Installed. Battery नहीं बोलेंगे दो जी.